You're bleeding. Not the kind that fix with a band-aid and a kiss from mom. The kind that makes puddles. The kind that turns your vision into a tunnel and your legs into suggestions. There's a hole in you that wasn't there 10 minutes ago, and the nearest hospital is either rubble, occupied by people who'd rather shoot you again, or 300 miles through hostile territory. No ambulance is coming, no surgeon in scrubs, no morphine drip. Just you, a bathroom cabinet, and the very real possibility that you're about to become fertilizer. But here's the thing about bullet holes. They're surprisingly democratic. Doesn't matter if you're a prepper, a scavenger, or just lucky. The human body leaks the same way. And if you know what you're doing, if you can keep your hands steady and your panic at a simmer, you might just plug that leak long enough to see tomorrow. Step 1. Stop the bleeding before you become a statistic. First priority: pressure. Find the cleanest cloth-like object within arm's reach. A t-shirt, a towel, a curtain, hell, a sock if that's all you've got. Fold it into a thick pad and press it directly onto the wound like you're trying to smother a small fire. Because that's basically what you're doing. Smothering a hemorrhage before it turns you into a deflated meat balloon. Hold it there hard, don't peek. Don't lift it to check if it's still bleeding. Of course it's still bleeding, you have a hole. If the cloth soaks through, don't remove it. Add another layer. Removing it tears off the clot you're trying to form. If it's an arm or leg, elevate it above your heart. If it's your torso, just keep pressing. Step 2. The tourniquet. If the bleeding's arterial, pulsing bright red like a busted radiator hose, you need a tourniquet fast. Use something 2 inches wide, a belt, denim, a dog leash, not a shoelace. Wrap it a few inches above the wound, between the hole and your heart. Tie it tight, then twist a stick or pen until the bleeding stops. It's going to hurt. That's how you know it's working. Mark the time. 2 hours max, or you'll lose the limb. Step 3. Clean the wound or invite infection to the party. Assuming you're not dead yet, congrats. Now comes the part where you prevent sepsis from finishing what the bullet started. You need to irrigate the wound. Boil water if you can, let it cool. No stove, use bottled water. No bottled? Tap water is better than nothing. Pour it directly into the wound, not a dribble, a stream. You're washing out debris, not baptizing it. If you've got saline, use it. Hydrogen peroxide works once, but don't overdo it. It damages tissue. Got vodka or whiskey? Save it. Alcohol stings like hell and doesn't sterilize as much as you think. Pat the wound dry with the cleanest cloth you can find. Step 4. Pack the wound because holes don't close themselves. If it went clean through, you've got 2 holes. If not, there's a bullet hiding somewhere inside. Find sterile gauze or clean fabric. Rip into strips. Start at the deepest part. Push the gauze in gently but firmly, layer it. You're stuffing a tiny, horrifying turkey. The goal: fill the cavity to apply pressure inside. Not too tight, not too loose. Firm but forgiving, like a mediocre handshake. Got an exit wound? Pack that too. Once both are filled, cover them with a larger dressing and tape it down. Medical tape is best, duct tape works. Scotch tape? You're kidding. But if that's all you've got, layer it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step 5. Antibiotics. This is the difference between survival and sepsis. A bullet might miss your heart, but bacteria doesn't care. If you have antibiotics, amoxicillin, doxycycline, anything broad spectrum, take them. Follow the dosage. Don't skip because you feel fine. That's your body lying to you. No antibiotics? Find honey, real honey. Smear it on the wound before you dress it. It's ancient medicine backed by science. Garlic works too. Crush it, mix it with oil, apply it to the gauze. You'll smell like dinner, but maybe you'll live to regret it. Step 6. Monitor for shock. Your body is a drama queen, and shock is its tantrum. Watch for pale skin, racing pulse, shallow breathing, confusion, cold sweats. If you feel it coming, lie down. Elevate your legs. Get warm, blankets, jackets, whatever. Sip water slowly. Why it works? Your body's already trying to save you. Pressure helps clots form. A tourniquet buys time. Packing builds a scaffold for tissue to heal. Antibiotics kill invaders. Survive the first hour, your odds double. Survive the day, you might just make it. There's no doctor. No hospital. Just you, makeshift supplies, and the refusal to die. The wound is packed. The bleeding stopped. You're still breathing. That's a win. If the pain fades and no fever comes, congratulations. You survived. If it turns red, swells, and smells like death, you tried. And out here, trying is worth something. Now get up. You've got a bullet to dig out later, or a grave to avoid. Either way, you're not done.